welcome to today's maths video on perimeter. Stay with us till the end of this video. We will be covering the problems on perimeter of a polygon. Our first problem is Dennis is sewing the border of a blanket with yarn. The length of the blanket is 3 meters and width is 5 meters. What is the length of yarn she would need? Now, since the blanket is in the shape of a rectangle and length is given as 5 meters and width is given as 3 meters, perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth, which is 2 times 5 plus 3, which is 2 times 8, that is 16 meters. Therefore, length of the yarn required is 16 meters. Let's look at the next problem. If it costs rupees 540 to fence a square park at the rate of rupees 6 per meter, find the length of the square park. Now, rate of fencing the square park is rupees 6 per meter and total cost is given as rupees 540. Perimeter of the park is 4 times A, where A is the length since it is a square park. Now, perimeter into rate per meters will give us the total cost. Therefore, 4A into 6 gives us 540. Therefore, 24A is 540. A is 540 divided by 24. Therefore, A is 22.5 meters. Our third problem is Captain is building a rectangular rabbit enclosure for his pet rabbit. The enclosure measures 15 meters by 5 meters. How much of fence does he need for his enclosure? Now, length of the enclosure is given as 15 meters. Width of the enclosure is given as 5 meters. Now, length of the fence required is perimeter of the enclosure. Now, perimeter of the enclosure is 2 into length plus breadth, which is the perimeter of the rectangle, which is equal to 2 into 15 plus 5, that is 2 into 20, that is 40 meters. So, therefore, the length of the fence is 40 meters. Our fourth problem is Lena had 40 centimeters of ribbon that she wanted to wrap around one of these presents. Which present could she not wrap with her ribbon? Explain the answer. Now, the first figure given, the first figure of the first present is a trapezium, and the second one is another figure which is given. So now we have to find the distance around the boundary of the figures. So the distance around the boundary is nothing but the perimeter of the presents. Therefore, the perimeter of the first present is 14 plus 18 plus 9 plus 9. That is 50 centimeters, which is greater than 40 centimeters. Since we have only 40 centimeters of ribbon, so the first present cannot be wrapped by the ribbon. Now, the perimeter of the second one is 11 plus 11 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2, which is 34 centimeters. But we have a ribbon of 40 centimeters, so it is possible to wrap the second present using the ribbon. With that, we come to an end of this video. Stay tuned for our next video.